In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request reviews automatically in Judge.me. If you're tired of chasing every customer for feedback, this will save you time and keep your store's social proof growing on autopilot. The idea is simple. Once an order is fulfilled, Judge.me can send a review request email for you so you don't have to. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Apps, then select Judge.me Reviews. This brings you into the app where all the review request tools live. From here, make your way to Settings. Depending on your version of the app, you'll either see Request Scheduling or it may be labeled Request Reviews in the new design. Both take you to the same place, the controls for when and to whom review request emails are sent. First, confirm that automatic review requests are enabled. This is usually on by default for all newly fulfilled orders, but it's worth checking. Automatic means the email is triggered after fulfillment, not at the moment of purchase. Fulfillment is the point when you mark the order as shipped or otherwise fulfilled in Shopify, which signals that the product is on its way or already delivered. Next, you can choose whether to send requests for domestic orders, international orders, and POS orders. This is useful if your customer experience differs by channel. For example, you might keep requests on for domestic orders, but turn them off for international if shipping is unpredictable and you worry the email could arrive before the package. If you sell in person via POS, consider whether you want to email those customers too. Some stores prefer to skip POS requests if they already gather feedback at checkout, while others keep them on because customers have the product immediately and can review sooner. Now set the timing for when the email should go out after fulfillment. You'll see a window, usually between 3 and 14 days. Pick a delay that matches your delivery reality. If your domestic orders typically arrive within a week, 5 to 7 days after fulfillment is a comfortable starting point. It's long enough for customers to receive and try the product, but not so long that the purchase feels distant. If you serve many international customers or ship made-to-order items, leaning closer to 10 to 14 days can prevent premature requests. Once your preferences are set, you're done. Judge.me will automatically schedule and send review request emails according to your rules, so you can stop manual follow-ups and let the system work in the background. You can revisit these settings anytime as your shipping times or sales channels evolve.